We are here inside the beautiful and esteemed Aladdin Hotel, built in 1925, Italian Romanesque, that we are converting to 122 apartments, a top floor cocktail bar, and over 20,000 square feet of amenity space. We were going through the process of buying the building, and we were looking at all the different types of subcontractors, general contractors, to get rough ideas of scopes and the whole 9 yards. And we knew that there was only a handful of quality GCs that we had soft circle that had done projects like this. They'd done Monogram Building, Congress Building, Pickwick Plaza, and they just absolutely crushed those projects. And we felt the incentives were aligned to take on this project together and have them bring this building back to life. The transparency, the flexibility that they've had, working with myself and the rest of our team. Obviously, we're a young development group. We like things our way. We're very picky about things, lots of changes, different scopes, magnitudes, and things like that. They've been absolutely incredible, very responsive, able to answer all of our questions on site, deal with our shenanigans as we take a different approach than most developers of building in public. And they've been absolutely wonderful. I have no bad things to say. Can't wait to watch this project continue to unfold and to get finished, and we'll keep chugging along from there.